Hey folks, we know one of the biggest problems with winding bars is once the wires are up, it's almost impossible to get some new tension back in this. If you go to our website, you'll see we offer a 9-foot brace tensioner kit, and it's exactly for this. Not only do we offer a 9-foot crossbar, but if you have a wood structure with an 8-foot post in it, you can take a loop, go right around your existing staples, take your next loop, slide it right in your line wires, come over top of your post. If you find at any point you have too much cable, you can just simply take a loop, go right around the post, either top or bottom. Come into that center. Now you can see for years you can come back with nothing more than a ratchet wrench, tighten your brace back up so you can keep the right pressure on your line wires.